The mythical beast, Krute, is a large bird man-like creature found in Hindu and Buddhist scriptures. It is often linked to the Hindu creature Garuda. Unlike the Garuda, however, the Krute of Thailand is seen as more than a myth. The Krute is Thailand's national emblem and is actually believed to be a true figure. Many Thais believe Krute's spirit possessed Nai Khanom Tom, a Muay Thai legend, when he fought 10 of King Mangra's Burmese fighters and defeated them. The Krute is believed to appear whenever the country's in turmoil, in its greatest form, Aroonsuck, Thai for the beginning or alpha, to serve its role as defender of Thailand. At this level, it is nearly unstoppable and is said to possess all the skills of the Himmapan creatures in Hindu mythology. In modern times, Thais pray to Krute to provide protection and safe passage on long arduous journeys or to ward off evil spirits.